Okay, guys, so this is the most messed up studio you can see. So everywhere the wires are kept. There's a monitor here. The cable management is okay, but then too, if you see below the tables, it is bad. So here also, it's full and full. So we are going to go ahead and fix this and get back to you. So this will be a short YouTube video on setup and cable management. Once I finish setting this up, then I will go ahead and show you like what and all I have done so that even you can practice that and make a proper studio or any computer setup in a less space. So let's start with that. Okay guys, so what I've done over here is this my computer table. As you can see, I've just gone ahead and put a plug point over here where I've put a cable management sticker over here, and it has gone ahead and blocked it now so that these wires are stagnant together. And over there I put a cable management strip, and this wire will be going up so that this place will be clean. So then I'll be going ahead and fixing this boxes over here to make it a clean setup. And let's start with that. Okay guys, so this is the new setup over here. If you see, there's a monitor over here with the keyboard, mouse. Behind is the speaker and the RGB light. I'll just show you from here. So there's another webcam over there, a webcam over there. There's a CCTV which I just unboxed yesterday, and down we just have the UPS over there, and over here we do have a shelf with few things, and we have a CPU over there with another monitor over here running the OBS, and this is the table on which we can work, and this is the keyboard by which I can control the OBS, and both the monitors are connected with that CPU. All the wiring is done from behind over there, and here there is the sound box and the normal table stuff. So I did put a sleeve everywhere wherever possible, and there are no wires down over here, so that's a good thing. So no stagnant wires over here apart from the mic wire, which you can see, which we cannot put in a sleeve much. But then too, I did try to put a sleeve over here to hide as much as possible. But if you see down there, no wires. And there are wires over there because of the junction box, which we cannot put in the sleeve. And the CPU is over here, which has lot of space to breathe. And there's another junction box, which I kept here for some other functions. There are speakers over there. There's a speaker over here behind with the woofer over there. And a Bluetooth speaker with a fan. So this setup is a little bit better than the last one. Until next time, when I go ahead and make some other setup for you guys. So let me take a snap of this because this setup really looks good. Until next time, this is Kamal, and if you did like this video so far, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day.